and tonight we are going to be talking about the new LifePharm business tool app. We're going to discover the brand new tool that will transform the way you do business, learn how to accelerate your growth even with zero sales experience, get proven strategies to regenerate your business momentum. So I wanted to give a warm welcome to Daniela. Take it over to you, Daniela. Daniela, thank you for joining us tonight. I think you are good to go.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited to be here. Thank you to the whole LifePharm team. My name is Daniela, and I'll be presenting this amazing tool that was created specifically for LifePharm independent business owners. So super excited to show you this tool. I'm going to start by saying it's the easiest, most powerful tool, and it is powered by AI, but it's really easy, even if you don't like technology, okay? Are you maybe new to direct selling? Someone's saying that they can't hear me. Peter, can you confirm is my audio okay? And then I can just continue.
It sounds fine to me. He's just saying it's very low. He is in Trinidad, Tobago. That is
Okay.
Robin. So maybe it's just long distance,
All
but
right.
sounds good
Okay.
in the United States. All right, so we're good to go. Thank you, Daniela.
All right. Thank you. So are you new to direct selling? Or maybe you're not new, but do you want more customers? Do you want to grow your team faster? So we have the perfect tool. We help new IBOs close their first sale, and we help everyone get more customers and grow their team. Like I said, this is the most powerful AI, and it is designed perfectly for LifePharm IBOs. So now we're introducing LifePharm AI. It was built exclusively for LifePharm IBOs. It helps solve your biggest business challenges. So have you ever thought, like, you have a prospect and you're like, what should I say? Like, you just joined, you're excited, but how do you start conversations and not sounding salesy or awkward, and afterwards you already started the conversation, but what should you send? Should you send a video or a link? Should you maybe send the company website? And you know how everyone gets the same website and you have no idea if the person looked at it, right? And then after you've shared your replicated website, what should you do next? A few days go by, you forget about them, the conversation disappears. And LifePharm AI is here to change all of that, okay? So what should I say? The first one. So we've come up with a better way to start conversations. This is like one of my favorite parts because I hate inputting contacts on my phone or like manually entering data. And this is something pretty cool. You can just screenshot any contact profile. You can go to their social media, their Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, just screenshot any profile and upload a picture of their business card or their profile to our app. And then the AI analyzes the contact and predicts their personality. Isn't this amazing? Now we know, for example, that Amy is confident, ambitious, independent. We know what her behavior is, like what type of emails we can send Amy, what to do or say in a meeting. So, for example, it says here that when meeting with Amy, get to the point quickly. Don't drag out the meeting for longer than it's needed. Instead, confidently discuss the point from the start and remain focused throughout. So it's telling me her personality, right? So you could have all the best resources, but if you're not using the right communication system or type that the other person receives best, then you're not going to be able to close the sale, right? Maybe she's more emotional, or maybe she's more analytical. And all of this you can learn with LifePharm AI. And after that, AI writes the perfect message. So here you can see the perfect message to share your product or your business. And then it also aligns with the personality. You just copy and send it. So then what should I send? So this part is really amazing. We're very proud of this part. And this is not a replicated site. It is not a landing page. This is something new that you've never seen before. Okay. So here we have prospect personalized sites. Okay. So this site is personalized to your prospect. So it knows their interests and goals, their communication style, their personality, and it's adapted to all of that. Okay. So it is built instantly to give your prospect the perfect buying experience. So you can see there that, for example, if there's someone that, example, Amy wanted more energy, right? And so the whole website is based on getting more energy, testimonials that are based around that, right? So, oh, that's very important to note. Your contact info and attribution link are automatically added. Okay, so that way you get the attribution. And then this is a video of how to do it. It's pretty easy, pretty cool. You select the product, you put in the contact, okay? You write their interests. So in this case, we're gonna write that Amy is it's a busy parent and she wants more energy, right? And there's also a slider at the bottom where you can select how personalized you want the site to be. And then you click next and the AI generates your sales site that is personalized to your prospect. And then here we go. We got this message. We can copy it, send it, and amazing. So this is an example of the website. Everyone gets their own website. No two websites are the same. So that's amazing, right? In this era where everything is personalized to you, right? So you can see the benefits, for example, testimonials, frequently asked questions, and so on. You can see here. And what's next? This part you're gonna love. You're gonna get notifications when Amy opens the site, when Amy clicks, when Amy stops to read the benefits, when she watches a video, when she clicks a button, and sends you a detailed analysis of all of the stats, and it tells you when to follow up and how to follow up. Isn't that amazing? Like, I don't know if anyone has any questions or comments in here, but I'm gonna be reading your comments. And someone here, Daniel is saying, awesome. It's like having your own assistant with contacts. Yes, for sure. It's you're gonna know everything about your contacts, and not only that, you're gonna be able to create personalized websites for them and get analytics on what they do. So amazing. I love that. And then what should I do next? You send the site, you see what happens. So you get notifications. So Amy opened the site, Amy paused on benefits for 45 seconds. Amy asked the chat, will this give me more energy? Amy clicked, get started now. And now the AI writes the perfect follow-up message. Hey, Amy, when I was looking through the benefits, the energy part really stood out to me as a busy parent. Curious what caught your attention. We already know that she was reading the benefits, right? So we're going to probably get a positive response out of that. And then she comes up with an objection. And she's like, thanks, but I think this is probably too expensive for me right now, right? And what we do have is an instant objection handling tool where you can upload a screenshot and the AI writes the perfect message to send to the customer after the objection, right? So here you see the AI recommended a message. It said, you can start with 1 month supply to try it. It's a simple way to see if it helps with energy during busy days. And Amy went ahead and said, oh, that makes sense. I didn't realize I could start with just 1 month. I'll order it now, right? And so LifePharm AI solves your biggest challenges. What should I say? What should I send? And then what should I do next, right? It identifies the prospect's personality. It writes the best message that adapts to their personality and communication style. And then every prospect gets a personalized site. And every click, every scroll, every second on the site is analyzed with stats. And then AI suggests the best steps to help you handle objections and close the sales. So everyone can succeed. And what have we seen? What have we seen with this? The results speak for themselves. We've seen 91% satisfaction, 50% more conversations, and 20% more sales. This means more conversations, more sales, more momentum. So one of the things that I like the most about this is that everything that you need is all in one place. Okay. So everything you need an IBO as an IBO of LifePharm, you have it. You will have social media post tool, contact management, onboarding and training, content sharing. And I'm going to show you a little bit more what I mean by that. We do have a desktop version and also an app so that you can use it on your phone. So instant social posts, let's see how this works. Okay. So you select the product, okay? You select the product that you want. You click the button. It's a surprise me button, and it writes an amazing post for you, an amazing compliant post that it's in your communication style, because when you start an account, you actually train your AI to speak like you. And so you can see that it is adapted to Instagram, to LinkedIn, Facebook, and you just choose which platform you want it for. What if you want to change the image? You can just click there and change the image easily. You can upload one of your pictures, or you can use one of our pictures from the stock. And then, what if you actually want to make it shorter? Okay, you could actually make it shorter. You can fix spelling and grammar. You can make it longer. You can change the tone. What if I want to make this funnier? Like, I want this to be like a funny post, okay? So I'll change it to a funny post, but also I want to change this to French, okay? After I click French, I'm going to click generate, and we just wait for 1 second, and we have an amazing, funny post in French and in any language that you want, actually. So, yeah, Armando is asking if it is multilingual. Yes, it is. It is. So we generated the post. Now we have an amazing post in French that's compliant and that's perfect for our business, right? And then after the social media posts, we have this contact management where you can store unlimited contacts, right? You can send them, import them from your phone. You can also upload the screenshots of the social media profiles, or you can manually enter them, whichever you prefer. And it will give you full transaction history, AI-powered follow-up reminders, hot lead alerts in real time. So when they open your site or any stats, you're going to get as notifications on your app, right? So that's amazing. And the personality part is the one that I love the most. Now, you also get step-by-step onboarding. So along with the team, Peter and the team, we created this amazing onboarding step-by-step. So it doesn't matter if you're new, or what if you want more team members to join? You have this amazing system already created for you that gives them the step-by-step on how to start with the business and just succeed, right? And so we have that, which is amazing. We have team content, so everything that you need regarding products, ingredients, just anything, PDF files, pictures, videos, anything that you need, logos, everything is here, all in one place. And building your business just got easier. Let's get started. So how to get started? I'm gonna see first if there's any questions before I do that, but I just see like great great responses from the team. Everyone's excited. Everyone,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Looks great.
I think everyone loves it. Me too. So let's get started. How to get started? Let's pay attention to this. So a complete sales system, unlimited personalized sales pages, okay? Built-in AI follow-up guidance, real-time prospect tracking, instant social media posts, smart contact management, and onboarding and training is usually $49 per month. But because of the team, the LifePharm team, we have a great deal for you guys. It is only $19 a month, only for LifePharm IBOs. Okay, this promotion is available only for LifePharm IBOs at $19 per month. And how do you get started? I'm gonna put up a QR code here. Okay. So you can either scan it with your phones. Okay. You open the camera, scan it, or you can go to lifefarm.ai and just fill out your information, fill out your name, your email, and all of the information there. It is pretty quick. It only takes like 60 seconds to sign up. And then you're going to see some training questions to train your AI, which is also pretty easy. So yeah, you can actually share your first sales site today. Amazing, right? So I'm going to leave this here for a second. Thank you so much, Peter and the team, for having me here. Super excited. And back to you.
Thank you guys all for joining the call. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you for joining the call. Good night.